Chris Blue, I did 9 sessions of Zerona. After 6, I lost 16 pounds and 7.5 inches of circumference. And after the full course, I lost 25 pounds. Well, my wife and I were going on this vacation to Cozumel in December. And about a month before, I started thinking, I should have done some sit-ups, or I should have done something to get ready. I mean, I'm going to be walking around with my shirt for a month, and then I thought, or for a week, and I thought, what am I going to do? And then I heard about Zerona. So I got online. I have a biochem degree, so I understood the science and the FDA testing and all the testimonials. So that was enough for me to get me to run into the Premier Zerona Center and get signed up. And then, you know, I was kind of a little bit skeptical, but after the first treatment, my wife looked at me, she says, well, I think I can see something, which was cool. But the really neat thing was, after the 4th one, the morning after, I got out of bed and I walked into the bathroom, flipped on the light, and I looked in the mirror, and I just kept doing this. I was like touching my belly and looking in the mirror. I couldn't believe the change. It was like my belly, my stomach had melted away overnight. So I grabbed my robe and I go out of the bedroom, and there's sort of a mezzanine. I'm look down at my wife and my son who are having breakfast, and I went, hey, look at this. And she looked up and went, that's hot. So immediately, back to get more Zerona. Called up one of my best friends. I knew he and his wife were going to the Bahamas. I'm like, hey, Dale, you got to get in on this. He's like, perfect. Went in, bought sessions for him and his wife. But the way it turned out was she couldn't get in enough of them before they went away, so she decided to wait till after he got his done. And after 3 or 4 sessions, she's swearing at him because he's going to look fantastic, and she's not quite prepared for the trip. So unbelievable. You know, I'm a football player. I used to play pro football. I've been in the gym forever. No pain, no gain. Nothing's easy. Got to grind it out has been ground into me. And it's not right. I mean, Zerona is this massive shortcut to quick fat loss. And my brain kind of short-circuited when I was standing there looking in the mirror. And I still kind of look down every once in a while, and I look at my before and after pictures and think, how did this happen so fast? Unbelievable. Can't stop talking about it. Zerona is 100% real, and get some, because summer's coming.